Hi, good morning. I am the teacher Brandon, and this is the lesson plan for students of first grade about food vocabulary. So, the goal of this lesson plan is that the students will be able use the food vocabulary to do a recipe. The objective of this lesson plan is develop students' ability to use different words related to food and apply in a specific context. So, my dear teacher, the first step of this lesson plan is a warm-up. The approach of this warm-up is a situational approach. The activity to do is a Pictionary of food. Students will draw some fruits on the board while the rest of the students try to guess what fruit it is. Obviously, the materials for this stage of the class is a board, markers, an eraser, and obviously the attitude of students. This activity during around 10 minutes, and you can extend your class like as you want to. The second stage, dear teacher, is the presentation, obviously. In this part of the lesson plan, we are going to implement the grammar translation method. The activity is so easy, you only have to bring some fruits because it's an activity of realia. Bring some fruits like apple, mango, banana, grapes, and the idea is that each student repeat the name with the correct pronunciation many times, once at once. For example, this is an apple, manzana. This is an apple, manzana. This is an apple, manzana. The materials obviously is only the fruits. This activity can be during more or less 10 minutes again, but who you want to extend your class, you can do. To continue with this lesson plan, the third stage is the practice. Remember, teacher, in the practice, you are going to be present in the class and help your students. In this stage, we are going to use communicative approach. Why? Because the activity is the riddles. In this activity, for each word of fruit, we have a riddle. What is the idea of the riddle? The idea is that you have to divide your classroom into groups. Each group should choose one player that they are going to listen the riddle. After, the other students will guess. Okay? Remember, dear teacher, we have 5 fruits, so we are going to have 5 riddles. Okay? For example, I am yellow and monkeys love me. What is? A banana, of course. And this activity again can be during around 10 minutes. To continue with this lesson plan is the fourth stage, production, with an approach of natural approach. Remember, dear teacher, natural approach familiarize the students with a real situation and normal situation in our lives. In this part, we are going to do an activity called Simon Says. Simon Says is giving instructions related to fruits, obviously. So, the students only should do the action follow direction if Simon Says is said by the teacher. Remember, their teacher should be more realistic, more authentic, and more normal in our life, okay? For example, Simon Says, pretend to eat an apple. And Or for example, Simon says pretend to peel a banana. And the duration of this activity can be 10 minutes. My dear teacher, to close, we have the fifth stage, closing. In this stage, we are going to implement natural approach again. So, the activity teacher is create to a recipe, obviously. This activity is realistic because everyone have to cook or maybe had cooked before. So, students are going to be little chef and create to a recipe with 2 or 3 fruits. Okay, in this part we are to use them in the materials a worksheet that is here. The idea is that they are going to draw in the space and put the ingredients. Okay, so it can be a fruit salad, a smoothie, or a fruit mix with yogurt. Okay, so the duration to this activity is 10 minutes, but if you want you can extend the time. Okay, dear teachers, this is my video of seminary class. I hope that this video could help you. Okay, and remember all the approach and all methods seen in this lesson plan. I hope that you have a great week and see you later.